Transliteration. Transliteration. Today's lesson. Transliteration. Did you watch our last video on vowels and diphthongs? Today, we are here for transliteration. Transliteration. Thank you so much. Remember to comment. Remember to share. Remember to give us thumbs up. I'm inviting today's professor, Dr. Godse.
Thank you very much. Good morning, viewers. You're welcome to another section of the Koine Greek, the lesson number 3 on transliteration, just as the anchor person introduced it. Transliteration. On transliteration, we are dealing with corresponding the English letters with the Greek letters, so that it will help us in pronunciation, identification of the Greek letters before we go further into other aspects of the Greek language. Therefore, we are dealing with transliteration. Transliteration. All right. If you look at the word like delta, omega, rho, omicron, and nu. Remember, I'm not telling you the English meaning of the word on the board. I am only introducing you to the English transliterations that will enable your pronunciation. Delta, the equivalent in English is D. Omega, the equivalent in English is double O. Rho, the equivalent in English is R. Omicron, the equivalent in English is O. And nu, the equivalent in English is N. So with the help of this, I guess you'll be able to pronounce this word. It is called Doron. 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 Have you seen how transliteration will help you to identify the Greek words and pronounce the Greek words? Another example. We have a word like graphe. Before I pronounce it as graphe, because I know it, but you, if you don't know it, you can transliterate it with the English equivalent of the letters with G, gamma, G, rho, R, alpha, A, phi, phi, as P and H, eta, double E. If you are asked to pronounce this easily, you'll be able to call it what? Graphe. Graphe. Remember, graphe is not the English meaning of the word in Greek. Graphe is just the pronunciation of the word in Greek. Graphe. Another example. Epsilon, mu, pi, rho, omicron, sigma, theta, epsilon, and nu. If you are asked to pronounce this word, you may find it difficult because you don't know it probably. But if you transliterate the word into English letters to enable your pronunciation, you will notice that epsilon is E in English. Mu is M in English. Pi is P in English. Rho is R in English. O is O. Omicron is O in English. Sigma is X in English. Theta is TH in English. Epsilon is E in English. And the nu is N in English. Now, if you are given the opportunity to pronounce this word, you will do it as easy as Greek is. N prostan. M prostan. M prostan. Okay, let's take another example. We have a word like beta, alpha, sigma, iota, lambda, epsilon, upsilon, and omega. On a normal situation, as we always said, if you are not acquainted with the language, you find it difficult to pronounce. But converting the word or the letters into English will help, as in beta for B, alpha for A, sigma for X, iota for I, lambda for L, epsilon for E, upsilon for U, and omega for O. You notice that the word is pronounced basilio. Basilio. That will help us to pronounce the Greek words. All right. Look at these English letters that I will want us to convert into Greek letters. O Christos. O Christos. And we look at this epsilon, that is E, E, L, T, H, E, N, Ace, ton, Cosmon. All right. Now we have O here, Christos, L10, Ace, Ton, Cosmon. I want you to look at the Greek form of these English letters. This O is still O. CH in Greek is chi. Rho is like this. Iota, sigma, tau, omicron, and sigmas. Now, look at the difference. You notice that the sigma at the middle is different from the sigma at the end. That was what I explained in the first lesson when I was teaching the alphabet, that there are two sigmas. Now look at this again. Double E is delta, as I told us earlier on. Lambda, TH is theta. E is epsilon, and N is nu. E is epsilon, iota, sigma. Tau is T, omicron, and nu. Kappa is K is kappa, omicron, sigma, mu, omicron, and nu. So when you look at it, you notice that the English version, the Greek version, English version, Greek version, English version, Greek version. Now you read it. Ho Christos elten eis ton kosmon. By the time we go into translation, you will notice that this simply means that Christ entered into the world. Christ entered into the world. Meanwhile, we are not in a haste. We will get to that. I will teach us the hints on translations. So as a continuation, we have a word, as you have seen on the screen, pi, rho, omicron, phi, eta, tau, eta, sigma. Now gradually follow me step by step as you see the English equivalent of the word on the screen. As I said earlier on, the English equivalent is not the English meaning of the word. We will come to that as time progresses. So we have a word like PROPHETEES. So this will help you to pronounce the Greek word easily, as in prophetess, prophetess. Now another word, pi alpha, rho alpha. Now you can also see it as easy as para, para. Another word, sigma, omicron, phi, iota, alpha. Now, when you look at it, you notice that the sigma, omicron, phi, iota, alpha is simply Sophia. So the essence of transliteration is to help you to pronounce the Greek words while you read. Possibly the Greek Bible that was written based on the Koine Greek, Neston Aland 2728 version, or USB 4th, 3rd, and 4th version, and all the rest of them. Now we have another word, epsilon, kappa, kappa, lambda, eta, sigma, iota, alpha. So sometimes kappa, depending on the pronunciation, is being represented by C. Now we have it, ecclesia, ecclesia, ecclesia. Now another word, as we have, is omicron, nu, omicron, mu, alpha. Now this word, the English equivalent is O-N-O-M-A, onoma, onoma. Now, remember, as I've said earlier on, there might be a little difference in pronunciation with reference to the classical or spoken Greek today. Now, the next one is epsilon, theta, nu, omicron, sigma. Now, you see it as easy as ethnos, ethnos. So on and so forth. You have the next one, pistiel, pistiel. You have the next one, to plus. You have the next one, gizo. Remember, when I was teaching the alphabets in the lesson number 1, I told us that gamma is a very special letter. Now, when gamma is used twice in a particular word, that it comes with the sound or the pronunciation eng, eng. So the double gamma is transliterated as NG. That is why you see it as N-gizo. Now, the last but not the least, before you do your own assignment, is sigma tau alpha upsilon rho omicron sigma. Now you have it as staros. Staros. As time progresses, I will be able to tell you the meaning of all these words. They have their English meaning, yes, but we are still talking about how you'll be able to learn the pronunciations. I take Greek step by step. I don't want to come and write a sentence on the board and begin to translate the sentence for you, and you'll be asking me a question like, how did this happen and how did that happen? So before you ask me those questions, I want to solve those problems before we get to the level of translation. All right. Have fun with trying out the following transliterations below. Practice as you learn. Cheers. So behold the words, transliterate them, try them out, play with them, have fun with them, put them on the comment section. Let's see how you'll be able to get them and how you'll be able to do them. It is my utmost desire that from the alphabet, you'll be able to transliterate all these words. That will make me happy. Finally, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on the notification bell. Don't forget to share to fellow ministers, pastors, seminarians, and the like. Then don't forget to like. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for transliterating with us. As time goes on, we have to transliterate Ijoma in Greek. Thank you so much. Remember the comment section, subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell for notification. Thank you so much. Share it.